So I thought I'd put a quick video out to describe a problem that I had with my X595. It's a 2003 model year, great tractor, but I'm not a mechanic, so I like to get these videos out just to describe what we did. I know that it helps me when people do this, so I really appreciate it. So I thought I'd take the time to put something out there. I had an issue where it was not starting. It was just would put out white smoke and it wouldn't kick off. If I spray some starting fluid, I just spray it right into the inlet air line up here, and it would kick off. So and then it ran fine after that. So all RPMs worked good. The power was good. Everything was good. But I wasn't sure if I was getting some air into the fuel line or whether it was a glow plug issue. What was going on? I did crack the injectors to release any air that might be in the lines there. I saw that video online. That was helpful. I didn't get any. I had the same results after that, actually. I also checked the fuel filter. I had recently, within the last month, put a new fuel filter on, so I didn't think I was having any issues there. But there was no water in the fuel line or anything, so the fuel seemed like the system seemed like it was okay. So I moved to the glow plugs. And when I measured the voltage at the glow plug, it was less than 1 volt. So it should be, you know, up to 11, 12 volts at the glow plug, is what I was told. So I thought I would see if I can track that back. I do have a manual for it, so I was able to do some research to figure out the wiring schematic. These relays down here, I think it's this one if I remember right, is the relay that actually powers that glow plug, the relays, you know, look basically what they look like here. They're not terribly dirty. Everything looks okay. But I pulled that relay apart, thinking that I might have to replace it, and just cleaned it out, blew it out good, and put some dielectric grease on it, put it back together, and then I got 11 volts, 11 and a half volts at the glow plug, and it fired right up. So that solved the issue. So when I'm testing that glow plug, I took the neutral lead right back to the battery, neutral, negative, and just touched the top of the glow plug to check the voltage that was coming in. I know on some of the tractors that you can test it right off the wire that comes in. I think that was like wire number 784, I think, and it's a white wire that goes back to the relay down here. So clean the relay, solve the problem, starts right up, no problem. So I thought I'd put it out there. Hopefully this will be helpful for some of the other non-mechanics and try to get this solved. Thanks.